बारिश की बूंदों की होती कहाँ है जुबान, सुलगते दिलों में खामोश उठता धुआं, खामोशियाँ आकाश है, तुम उड़ने तो आओ जरा, खामोशियाँ एहसास है, तुम्हें महसूस होती है क्या, बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ।
इतना खामोशी नहीं और जोर से ताली लगाओ।
Thank you, Manas.
That was amazing. That was amazing performance. Looks like CSE has a lot of talent, especially singers.
Thanks.
Congratulations. It was a nice performance.
Thank you. But for the next performances, I want to say that I'm unable to hear a single word from mine.
Manas,
Okay.
please,
I cannot hear
One
my.
second.
You're not able to hear your voice, is it? Okay.
That was
I guess
difficult.
is this the same problem with the audience as well?
Are you able to hear?
Are you guys
his
able to
voice
hear
or the
what's
music loud?
what's?
Guys, was the music loud? Are you
I
able
guess
to hear
we
his
are not able
voice?
to hear because the mics are the speakers are
Maybe, but,
maybe towards the direction.
but
So
it was difficult for me to sing.
Okay, Manas, we have a task for you.
Yeah.
Pick someone from the audience and make them sing.
Pick someone.
Well, I am here to help you.
Okay.
You
to
have
give.
the choice.
Okay, can
The
I choose
option
my
is in your hand.
teammate?
Whether up to
Anyone
you.
of them.
anyone,
Guys,
your wish.
Okay, Priya,
Be
please.
ready.
Let
Stand
me
up.
know. I'll go and give the
Priya.
mic.
कहाँ पर हो
Priya.
प्रिया?
The
I
girl
Priya.
see
in
some
red.
hands
Oh,
raising.
the girl in
ओ
red.
प्रिया प्रिया आ जाओ स्टेज पे.
Okay.
By the way, Manas, are you dedicating the song to her?
By the way, was this song
ऐसा लग
dedicated
रहा
to
है कि
her?
गाना
Is
उसमें
it?
dedicate हो रहा है,
Song
guys.
is dedicated to someone else in the crowd.
No,
I
no,
think.
no, no.
Oh, कौन है वो हसीना, जरा बुलाओ तो स्टेज पे.
I don't know her name.
You don't
ये
know
क्या
her name?
बात- कम से
अरे
कम
ये क्या ऐसा
दिखाओ,
प्यार
हम
है
लोग
यार?
बुला लेंगे.
I told the truth, believe it or not.
Okay.
Okay,
So
please, Priya, come on the stage.
Priya,
Guys, put your hands. Thank you so much.
okay, the stage is
for
all
coming onto
yours.
The stage is all yours.
on.
Manas,
Sing a song.
Your friend has called you here to sing a song, so you'll have to oblige the crowd. Even guys, huge round of applause for Priya.
কি করে তোকে বলবো?
তুই কি আমার?
Is it on? You doing it? Huh? কি করে তোকে বলবো?
Sorry for that, guys.
I will start and she will join. She's little late, I think. কি করে তোকে বলবো?
তুই কে? I'm sorry for that. Oh my God, why?
Priya, you are not able to hear it. You are not able to hear it, but we are able to hear it. Use this mic. This is for.
No, you will be not able to hear, but audience
No,
will
this
be
is the
able to hear
musical
you.
one. Please take this one. Priya, Archana, hand over the mic.
Guys, are you able to hear Priya?
Archana,
She's not able to hear us,
Archana,
Priya.
you'll have to hand over the mic that you have to Priya.
বলবো?
তুই কে আমার?
চলো না সাথে চলবো সব পারাপার মনের আশকারাতে তোর কাছে এলাম হারিয়ে গেলাম सुनो ना
संगे मरमर
कि ये
मीनारे कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे
आज इस दिल पे मेरे
राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा.
Guys, you'll have to give it to her because this is an unplanned and she's not prepared. So, guys, huge round of applause for Priya. Good show.
Guys, thank you all for your indications to finish it fast. I know for you, huge round of applause why I have given it now, right? चीटिंग है यार, बेचारी आके बुलाए, बीच में गाना गाई और आप तो तालियां बजा रहे हो कि छोड़ के आ जाओ नीचे, अब तो बकवास बंद कर.
Archana, so we have one more singing performance. Let's put your hands together to welcome Kishore Kumar of CSC.
तुम दिल की धड़कन में, which is my favorite song, sung by Abhijit. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, तुम रहते हो. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो. मेरी इन सांसों से कहते हो, कहते हो. बाहों में आ जाओ, सपनों में खो जाओ. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो. दीवानों सा हाल हुआ, हमको उनसे प्यार हुआ. दीवानों सा हाल हुआ, हमको तो उनसे प्यार हुआ. धीरे से वो पास आए, चुपके से इजहार हुआ. अब न किसी से डरना है, संग जीना मरना है. अब न किसी से डरना है, संग जीना मरना है. बाहों में आ जाओ, सपनों में खो जाओ. तुम दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो.
Folks, give your applause in a rhythmic way. Come on, go ahead.
दुनिया ने ठुकराया है, बस तुमने अपनाया है. दुनिया ने ठुकराया है, बस तुमने अपनाया है. दिल को कितना चैन मिला, सबने इतना सताया है, अपना है एक सपना, एक तू ही हो अपना, अपना है एक सपना, एक तू ही हो अपना। हाँ हाँ हाँ, सपनों में खो जाओ तुम, दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, रहते हो। रहते हो, रहते हो। हे, क्या मैं ही कहता रहूंगा और तुम कुछ भी नहीं कहोगी? ला 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 ला। रहते हो, बाहों में आ जाओ, सपनों में खो जाओ तुम, दिल की धड़कन में रहते हो, बस तुम रहते हो। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
That was really amazing, Anandji. And I'll have to say, each time you perform, I'm falling in love with your voice. That was an amazing performance.
Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, I would request the participants who are about to perform next, please be ready backstage. All the 3 teams that are performing next, please be ready at the backstage. And Teju, you can go ahead and cheer up the crowd.
Hello CSC. Hi. No, I need a very big applause from you so that I can start off. You're having fun, right? The evening also helping us. What a cool breeze. I'm loving it. So yeah, let's have a conversation here. We'll be playing a true or false. I'll explain how it works. I'll ask a question, you'll answer me, and the audience should judge whether it's a true or false. Okay? I'll come to people who cheers up more for me. No one. No one. No, yeah, I got some great applause there. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Shravan.
Shravan. Hi, Shravan. So I'll ask you a question, you answer me. The crowd will decide whether you're saying true or false.
Yeah, sure.
So, yeah. What age
It
when
is
you
28.
first fall in love? What was your age when you were first in love?
The question is for me, yaar, not for you. At seven, I think. 7.
7? Oh, that was very advanced. Hey, guys, whether it's true or false?
Then it shouldn't be love. I guess it's not love then.
Yeah,
7 is
but
too
the
young to
age
fall
is
in love.
yeah.
Then it is 10th class.
We wanted
You were in
to
10th class when you were 7?
16.
16.
Sweet 16.
Yeah, sounds
What do
better.
you say, guys?
Sounds better.
Okay, true.
Not you. Audience, whether it's true or false. Sweet 16.
True. 16.
Anyone? Rafi, come here.
Super. Thank you.
Please show the song.
Now we'll go to a beautiful lady out here. So, yeah. Hi. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Manisha.
Manisha. Hi, Manisha. So, your question is, how much...
Ask me a decent question.
Yeah,
I don't
sure.
want to answer a weird one.
Sure. What time will you take to get ready?
I think just for 10 minutes, that's enough.
10 minutes? People, do you believe?
It actually depends upon the occasion, obviously.
Usually.
Yeah, 10 minutes is
They
more
say
than
at least 2 hours, right?
enough. No way.
So she says just 10 minutes. Do you guys agree with that? Okay.
Guys, it's an humble request. Whoever is trying to come this way, please avoid it.
So yeah, your final answer, please.
It's 10, that's it.
So she's fixed to 10 minutes.
No, it's
I'll
10
just
minutes.
take 2 minutes to get ready, you know. So thank you, Manisha. Okay.